The US seeks duty concession on certain industrial goods, automobiles, especially electric vehicles, wines, petrochemical products, agriculture goods, dairy items, apples, tree nuts, and genetically modified crops. India and the US team have concluded the fifth round of talks for the proposed bilateral trade agreement in the Washington on July 17. And officials said the negotiations were held for 4 days, July 14 to 17 in Washington. The Indian team is coming back, the official said. India Chief Negotiator and Special Secretary in the Department of Commerce, Rajesh Agrawal, leads the team for negotiations. The deliberations are important as both sides are looking at finalizing an interim trade before August 1, which marked the end of the suspension period of the US President Donald Trump. Tariff imposed dozens of the countries, including on April 2nd, Mr. Trump announced these high reciprocal tariffs. The implementation of high tariff was immediately suspended for 90 days till July 9 and later till August 1, as America is negotiating trade deals with a number of countries. Issues related to agriculture and automobiles are learned to have triggered during the fifth round of negotiations. India has hardened its position on the US demand for duty concession on agriculture and dairy products. New Delhi has so far not given any duty concession to its trading partner in a free trade agreement in the dairy sector. It is seeking the removal of this additional tariff 26%. It is also seeking the easing of tariffs on steel and aluminium and auto sector. Against this, India has reserved its rights under the WTO norm to impose retaliatory duty. The country is also seeking duty concessions for labor-intensive sectors such as textile, gems and jewelry, leather goods, garment and chemicals. In the proposed pact, the two countries are looking to conclude talks for the bilateral trade agreement by fall, September-October this year. Before that, they are looking for an interim trade pact. Thank you.